Alright, here we are in the front yard of the house. It is pretty cold out. And I've got my ruler out. I'm going to see how much snow there is out here in the driveway. Alright, so let's take this guy, put it in the snow. Alright, so it looks like we have almost 5 inches. Looks like 4.5 inches. I'm going to take a walk out to the main street and see how things look out there. Alright, here we are in the driveway. Alright, here we are on the main street. It's compact snow, a little bit of ice underneath. There's some slippery spots on the driveway, because once you get through the soft snow on top, there's a layer of ice on the bottom. Got people driving around in their SUVs. Big pickup trucks. Traffic is extremely light. Looks like people are staying home, avoiding the snow.